Have you ever imagined what the Sahara Desert is like? You know, those endless sandy landscapes, scorching sun, and a complete absence of people around. It's like the quintessential desert we often picture in our minds. But here's the thing, the Sahara hasn't always been that way. In fact, there's more to this famous desert that meets the eye. Today, we're going on a captivating journey to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the vast expanse of the Sahara. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure like no other. Welcome to Revel Discovery, your portal to a world of fascinating discoveries and awe-inspiring insights that will expand your understanding of the universe and beyond. Let's start with some fascinating facts. The Sahara Desert gets its name from a common Arabic word that simply means desert. Surprisingly, it's not the largest desert on Earth. That title goes to the Antarctic Desert. However, when it comes to deserts with sand, heat, and dunes, the Sahara takes the crown. It covers nearly one-third of the entire African continent, spanning over 8.5 million square kilometers. The Sahara stretches across 10 African countries, surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, the Red Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea. It's an awe-inspiring landscape that has captivated the imagination of people for centuries. Now let's talk about the landscape itself. While we often imagine the Sahara as a barren land with towering sand dunes, the reality is a bit different. Contrary to popular belief, only 20% of the Sahara's terrain is covered by sand. The rest consists of rocky plateaus, creating a diverse and mesmerizing landscape. However, don't be fooled by the lack of vegetation. The Sahara is home to around 4,000 species of animals. You'll find mammals like gerbils, jerboas, antelopes, jackals, dune cats, and mongooses roaming this vast desert. Most of these creatures are nocturnal, seeking shelter during the scorching daytime temperatures. It's a delicate balance of survival in an environment where the temperature can reach a blistering 35 degrees Celsius, while the sand can be heated to twice that temperature. It's like being in a frying pan. Speaking of temperature, the Sahara Desert is characterized by its extreme climate. It has a dry and hot climate with rare precipitation, averaging only 75 millimeters of rain per year. This makes the Sahara one of the driest places on Earth. The lack of water, combined with intense heat, creates a challenging environment for both humans and wildlife. The highest recorded temperature in the Sahara is nearly 58 degrees Celsius, while at night, the temperature drops drastically, sometimes reaching almost 0 degrees Celsius, with frosts occurring in mountainous areas where temperatures can plummet to as low as 18 degrees Celsius. It's a land of stark contrasts and extreme conditions. But despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara still manages to support life. The desert is not entirely devoid of flora. It boasts a surprising variety of plant species, including over 30 species of endemic plants like ferns, ficus, acacia, cacti, and date palms. These hardy plants have adapted to survive in the arid environment, demonstrating nature's resilience. It's a testament to the remarkable ability of life to thrive even in the most challenging circumstances. Next, let's explore some of the unique features of the Sahara. One of the most iconic aspects of this desert is its massive sand dunes. The sand dunes in the Sahara can reach staggering heights of up to 200 meters, creating a breathtaking and otherworldly landscape. But what's even more intriguing is that some of these dunes produce strange sounds that merge into a bizarre melody. The oscillating sand grains, influenced by the wind, create a symphony of sorts, adding to the enchantment of the desert. As we continue our exploration, we encounter another captivating phenomenon, the mirages of the Sahara. Mirages are optical illusions created by the atmosphere, making objects appear closer or distorted. In the Sahara, mirages are quite common, and over 150,000 have been observed. Some explorers and travelers have been deceived by these mirages, mistaking them for oases with water and palm trees just a few kilometers away. However, the reality is that these illusions can often be hundreds of kilometers from the actual water source. It's a testament to the power of the mind and the mysterious nature of the desert. Now let's delve into the history and mysteries of the Sahara. Deep within the heart of the desert, in the Mauritania, lies one of its enigmatic features, the rigid structure. This ring structure, with a diameter of 50 kilometers, is a wonder to behold. It has puzzled scientists and explorers for years. The Eye of the Desert, as it's often called, served as a prominent reference point for astronauts in space due to its visibility from orbit. While there are several hypotheses explaining its origin, one prevailing theory suggests that erosion played a significant role in its formation. It's a captivating mystery in the midst of an otherwise unremarkable desert. But the Sahara doesn't stop surprising us there. It holds another title, the highest point in the desert. The peak of Emikuzi rises 3 kilometers and 400 meters above sea level, providing a stunning panoramic view of the vast expanse below. The Sahara is also rich in valuable resources such as gas and oil, which have been discovered and harnessed to meet the energy needs of surrounding countries. It's a testament to the hidden treasures beneath the seemingly desolate surface of the desert. Despite its inhospitable conditions, the Sahara is home to approximately 2 million people, mainly Berbers and Tuaregs. These resilient communities have adapted to life in the desert, carving out a living in this challenging environment. In medieval times, trade caravans traveled through the Sahara, connecting distant lands and cultures. Some of these caravans consisted of thousands of camels, transporting goods across the desert. The Sahara has been witness to the ebb and flow of history, carrying the stories of ancient civilizations and the resilience of its inhabitants. But what lies beneath the surface of the Sahara? Is there more than just sand and rock? The answer is yes. Underneath the seemingly endless dunes, there are vast pools of groundwater, hidden gems in the desert's depths. These pools of water give birth to the magical oases that dot the Sahara's landscape. These areas are rich in vegetation and serve as crucial lifelines for both humans and wildlife. In fact, some countries within the Sahara, such as Libya, have tapped into these precious underground water sources to sustain their populations. The Great Man-Made River Project in Libya, initiated in the 1970s, delivers millions of cubic meters of drinking water every day, supporting cities and settlements in the desert. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the resilience of life in the harshest of environments. But here's something truly astonishing. The Sahara hasn't always been the arid desert we know today. Around 8,000 years ago, it was a green paradise, a forest teeming with lush vegetation, white grass meadows, and clear lakes. It's hard to fathom, but archaeological evidence, including ancient rock carvings and the discovery of ancient rivers and lakes, indicates that primitive civilizations once thrived in this region. However, over time, the green landscape gradually transformed into an arid desert, shaped by various factors such as climate change, human activities, and natural processes. It's a stark reminder of the ever-changing nature of our planet. As we wrap up our journey through the Sahara, it's clear that this desert is a place of awe, mystery, and hidden wonders. From its captivating mirages to its towering sand dunes and ancient mysteries, the Sahara holds a unique place in the tapestry of our planet. It's a reminder that even the harshest environments, life finds a way to endure and thrive. So the next time you think of the Sahara, remember that there is more to this desert than meets the eye. It's a treasure trove of secrets waiting to be discovered. Now I have to ask you, what fascinates you the most about the Sahara Desert? Is it the towering sand dunes, the mirages that play tricks on the eyes, or perhaps the hidden oases and their lush vegetation? Engage with us by leaving a comment, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification bell for regular updates. Keep watching, stay inspired, and get ready for more exciting discoveries. See you in our next episode.